again, we've spoken about this previously. I think the disparity in the States, they're charging 50, $60 an hour for cleaning. Whereas in the UK, up until recently, 10 quid an hour was seen as, well, that's just about enough, right? So when you look at it from that perspective, then yeah, it might be because, services aren't being priced high enough. Therefore, you're prevented from investing in your business. By the same token, not everything is a subscription service. There are tools that are available that you can use for free. And yes, you might not get all of the functionality if you go with the free version, but it will get you started. And once you're started, then you continuously invest in your business, reinvest in your business to sort of build up your tech stack. So yeah, I think the price disparity might be one reason why people don't invest. Perhaps also, not taking a vested interest in like finding out what sort of tech is available and, will help to, I don't know, automate workflows or, help with schedule management or invoicing, for example. I think raising a little bit more awareness around the sort of technology that is available. And again, in the US, there's a bunch of different options which you just don't see being used that much over here, in my opinion, again.